shorts in the front. That's gonna be so cute. I didn't even notice. So let's get into it. Basically, I am taking these men's thrift store jeans and making a two-piece set, okay? So first things first, I kind of drew out how I wanted my shorts to be. I ended up making my shorts kind of long, but you can cut them to your like preference lengthwise. I used a little bikini top to make my top, trace that out, give yourself about an inch of a seam allowance, and I started to get to work or whatever. So I will leave the YouTube tutorial that I used as like inspo for this in my description so you can get more of a step by step. I'm moving kind of fast here, so I know y'all probably like, what is you doing? But I will leave that link down below. So yeah, here I'm just taking the shorts and kind of sewing the sides together to make them smaller. I took the waistband off at the top so that the waistband can look uniform when I pull everything in. You don't want to have to cut your waistband for real, for real. Yeah, I'm just doing it on the other side. And let me show you what this is giving, because it's giving what it needs to give, okay?